So it's like 4:40 a.m. and yeah, it's been like forever since I last made a video. So I mean, yeah, here we are. So noticed I tried to analyze and everything's just like blurry. So like I just can't seem to get things to work out. So I think I'm good. Oh, I think I'm just gonna like okay. I'm just gonna go to quickly first. So you won't be able to see like the time frames because like I cropped it out. Like I don't know why I did that. So on gold is at all-time high and like rejected a bit. And if you go to the daily time frame, you can okay. If I'm to use candlestick and automate to like trade, I'll be like, so the last week was like doji. So like yeah, so it's like indecision. So I don't really think like this week could be any better because it didn't close either of no. But since this one was a doji, doesn't mean this one didn't trade. It's very bullish move, right? So I mean, yeah, you want to use that to like trade the future. So on the daily time frame, so I don't really know. This is what I saw on the daily. You can't even see these. I don't really care. I'm just making this video for myself. So so we had a change of character here, and this was our inducement, and then this is our order block. And seems like it stopped this order block already. But then one thing I'm like certain it will come back for is not really certain, but I don't really know because bro, I think seeing this tree, this is a perfect setup, change of character, order block, and then to buy to come and clear. If not going beyond here, maybe coming to clear these liquidity that's accumulated here, probably to take away this high. I mean, yeah, obviously. So that's just what I'm looking to see. But then there is something I would like you guys to see. It's just something that like I'm very intuitive about. So you see market is currently here. And if you notice here, when we did the last break of structure, change of character. So this is the order block that we're like for. I actually waited to take this trade for the confirmation entry, but I feel like I'm just like not ready to let go because I mean, yeah, because obviously market hasn't still like cleared the liquidity. But if you actually check it, I think market. Well, the only reason we should wait is has market done justice to it? Well, market came here and market was supposed to. Okay, I think it has come it cleared out this liquidity and it tapped this order block. I don't really know. Even if I had taken a trade, I think I'd have gotten stopped out, or I would still be in a swing position because I'll be targeting this point, my bro, because I mean, yes. So we'll be reversing now, and I'll still be in the trade. Like I don't lose my trade. I don't even set break even because market can just come back happier, and then so I just automatically feel like if I take a trade, the money is gone. That's just how it is. So that's what I'm looking to do on gold, but people are still saying buys. So if I was here, if I actually saw this, would I have taken this trade? Let's see if we have any confirmation entry here, and then see how well it is. So what I've done is, yeah, I think this one confused me because I think I checked it and this was the breaker structure. So market did come back to this continuation block and tapped it, yes. But I think I would have gotten like not even gotten into the trade because honestly I think I would be oh I think I would have used that one actually because there isn't like any like fair value gap here. So I shouldn't like if there were to be fair value gap here, then this would be a valid order block. But there was no fair value gap here. I mean, yeah, not at all. Well, I think most times I'm just saying this because I have seen market do this. Because well, normally, usually, it's always this order block. Even if it has lower probability, market still comes there regardless. So I mean, yes, very well. So moving on to the next pair, which is I think BTC USD. So I have like I don't really know what's going on with BTC. I don't want to use weekly time frames because I'm a day trader, so I don't like using weekly time frames. But then I like to look at the bigger picture because it's like so like weird. So I think we're going to be bearish for a long time because I think on the weekly time frame, come on, time's going. My space is full. You need to it, bro. Are you serious? I'm actually I don't want to. Yeah, great. So here we can see we had a double top on market broke through it. Like this is a resistance zone. So the order block would mark would be this, and market has just wicked it. Or probably, I think probably this one. Or we could say market uses breakup block. 3 minutes of breakup structure. So I don't really know. That's why I don't want to use the weekly. Just I feel like we still sell for that because there is no other blockade say market wants to stop the market. So I think BTC, since it's not really clear, at least we should be looking to clear this liquidity at least. Since market cleared liquidity 2 times on the high on the buy side, so market should come to clear this liquidity point right here. That's what I'm looking to. That's what I'm looking to see on the weekly time frame. And if it's a little bit choppy on the weekly, you can go to the monthly time frame and just like check it out. You can see it's more clear here. But this could be the other block that is on the monthly. But since we clear liquidity, we have to clear liquidity. And this looks like an inducement to here. So we actually just clear this liquidity and then come back here, tap this one and then go. So we're going to be selling on. Now I think I understand why I shouldn't be selling at. I'll be trying to catch every reversal trade on the daily time frame because I was looking for other blocks here. So now on the 4 hour time frame, just look for other blocks that lets change of character. So I think there isn't. So this is last. Breaker structure rather. But the fair value gap has been closed. So I don't really know if there's any on the daily. So we'll drop to the 4 hour time frame to look for other change of characters. Yep. So on the 4 we have this bad boy over here, the closest one, and it seems like we're reversing from this. But this is never a valid breakout block. So this is the first and the valid one. So I'm just going to mark this bad boy. And yep. So I should be looking to sell when market comes here on BTC. So where's my I think BTC path. So I'll just draw this and then sell to here. Oh, honestly, I could even hold the trade for that if I want to. Like because I think I know market is coming here, so I'll just keep it there like that. So that's for BTC USD. Let's go to US30. I check US30 too. So one thing I'm trying to understand how US30 works because US30 has been stressing me the freak out lately because I don't really know. Like there's so many new patterns. Because but I've been catch. I think I caught this by here in a way. So but when US30 does this pullback, I don't think you can actually like to get. So I think he just came here and he hasn't really given me a proper entry. But I just marked this resistance zone. That was the market came to reverse and then going to the 15 minutes time frame. If you were to look for an entry on the 15 minutes time frame there, like the only entry I was able to like honestly seeing all of this, this is a support zone. I wouldn't buy here, bro, because this is just like any other zone. It could get broken. I mean, bro, do you get like this one that was retested like on? Okay, I don't really know that. Do you get? So I think this there was an entry here. But honestly, all of these out because I would have gotten stopped that because would have put my stop loss like half of this like candle would have stopped out. Or even if I had kept it here, I'll still be in the trade and still be like dancing around the trade because the market is just like playing around here and it's kind of annoying. But one thing I know about US30 is if it's ready to go up, if it wants to go up, it's going to go up. Like you're not going to stop it. So US30 is really like I'm just gonna stay out of US30 because obviously I'm not the only thing I'm waiting for US the one thing I'm waiting for US30 to do is to break the structure so I know it's going bullish because this is I don't even know why it has such big candles honestly. I think on the 5 minutes is the same thing, big candles like yeah, even for the 5 minute candles to have like maybe this one and I think it broke it already. See, I don't even know. So I think next one is Solana. No Euro USD, Euro USD, let's see. So going on the weekly time frame, I'm just going to clear this. Weekly time frame, you can see that market cleared this liquidity. So at least we should be waiting for market to come and clear this. And coincidentally, it's also like a point of interest. So I think this is a breakout block. I think it should be a breakout block on the daily at least. And if you check, it's still okay. No, but I think it should be a valid point of interest. Honestly, check it out. Yep. So I think it's okay. So market should be coming there. So, and I think I learned something today because I was wanting to catch reversals because I was like Okay, this is another block. This doesn't even make sense to be on another block. But I actually made a mistake recently. I thank God, oh, but I actually cancelled it. But there was a change of character that happened here, and then I saw it and I was like, well, okay, because I marked this other block on the daily time frame. But Maka hasn't come here. But Maka rejected from here, so I thought maybe he wanted to just go from here. And then this whole buy that happened, I got the buy, but I was in a swing position still, saying there was a trend on liquidity here. Market that was a very smooth line, and and I said market was going to come and clear all this trend on liquidity, which wasn't supposed to happen, which isn't going to happen, because we're in a bearish trend. So we were only buying to facilitate the pullback to come here. And the moment we came here, we actually did a change of character, I think. So I don't really know what happened. But I think now this is one thing. So change of character. This is the last change of character. Break of structure, change of character that happened. It was this bad boy. So we should have entered here or here, but does it even make sense to be valid? I think it was mitigated already. Ah, market does crazy things, bro. No, you get what I'm saying. That I even in that GBP, I don't treat GPUs anymore. That's new. 'Cause I you say it a lot. So yeah, that's new. So I mean, I think it was gold that was it gold? Yeah, how you use the one on top. So you can see even this isn't even a valid like one, but it still came back all the way and gave us this really flippant buy. So say you had marked this one. I mean, it's okay to have these entries and everything. Just it doesn't mean the order block is invalid. It just means it has high probability of holding. Like do you get? Yeah. So that's pretty much it. So okay, I think that was all for the sell, and yeah, so it was only going to facilitate this pullback for the buy, and I shouldn't have like wanted to. I saw it as this is a beautiful swing to catch, but I think honestly, at that point where market came here was a beautiful hour I saw. Honestly, I can't remember. I think 20 something. Was it 16? 60 was a swing position to clear this liquidity, but I think market is going down. So now we should be looking. This is just another block to push it to the top. So this is the perfect time to look for a re-entry. Do you get? So now I can come here. Look, I think this was what I then marked. Now I can come here. Something I know about doji. I'm trying to remember. So about the doji candlesticks, yeah. I think I don't really know. I think there should be something new about it. Now this is the only thing that makes me take low RR entries because bro, this would be like 1 to 2 normally if I were to like take it the normal way. So I mean it might not even happen. I'm just like guessing now. So this is just the trade of and how I see it. Obviously, oh, it's a 4 hour. We probably need to do some confirmation entries and everything to make it tighter on the. Oh, this is a 4 hour. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm kind of pleased that it's under 4 hours. So, yep. So I'm just going to draw this bad boy. Tut, 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 tut. So I think that's for Euro USD. So we should be looking for sales on the Euro USD. Euro dollar. So now this is on Solana. I don't know why I treat this. I think it was on 16s. I'm starting to get hungry. Just kind of bad because why should I be hungry? It's almost 5 a.m. So market came to clear this. I think I don't even know what time I saw. Oh, my stomach. I'm just going to report it. This is only the last pair I'm going to trade. So yeah. So I mean, I'm gonna have to go wash pots. Oh my god. Okay. I said that while recording. So weekly on the daily time frame. So this is kind of confusing. So I'll just go to the monthly time frame to see the overall, like see everything like chopped in everything. Like do you get? So Solana on the monthly. So Solana started. Oh, 2023 really? Was it just my like data limits like on trading view? So we were rejecting this resistance zone on the monthly time frame. So we're going to sell to the next resistance zone, which somewhat is this zone, and I think we should be done with resistance zone if it's that, because we didn't clear liquidity from zone to zone. So we came here, so I think we should be looking for a buy now. We should be looking for a buy. Yeah, this is a very, oh wow, this is a very strong resistance zone. Let me just put it back on the monthly and I can draw it out. This is a very, very strong resistance zone. I mean support. Very strong one, so we should be looking for a buy. Like shit like that. Oh, I think the buy has happened. Oh, I think. But you should know we never really did the agent of character. Because this one definitely this one came. We did this, we did this. So we should be looking for buys, and the buy that I can see is, so we should be anticipating the buy to the downside. So we should be looking for sales for now. So I see this bullish engulfing at the top. So use them as price action and enter. Enter right now. Stop loss. Bit of the wick there. Thank you guys, and thank you featuring me for watching. Chat.